Okay, good afternoon. So this is a project briefing. The slides has been delivered, but I just want to brief it a little bit more. Okay, so for this project briefing, I'm going to talk about the overview of the test and also for the project mode. Okay, so as a recap, this is the synopsis, okay, of the course. And these are the transferable skills that we are supposed to get the students to be able to do at the end of the course. Okay, so first is to perform the engineering practice with high integrity and morality, and also the ability to apply to the sustainability principles which engage stakeholders in decision making. So the second ability is the one that I'm supposed to uh, use in the project for you to be able to do so. Okay, so as an overview, this is the assessment method. So we should get 50% from the test and 50% from the report. But actually, I'm going to change the portion from the test later on when the one that I'm going to show in the next slide. Okay. So these are the course objective. This is the program objective. So as you can see, the environmental and sustainability is the PO number 7, which is supposed to be learned in this course. So that's why the project mode is done in that manner, so that we can gauge this PO. Okay, as agreed, within the 3 classes, we should have the week 8 for the briefing and the A3 submission, and next week for the presentations. I hope all the presenters are ready and all the groups has been booked the schedule for each section, and it will be submitted accordingly. Okay, and then we will have the test, and then we will have the execution of the project in the 3 weeks, 11 to 13th week, and then we have the project presentation on week 14. Okay, so this is how it looks like in a Gantt chart. Okay, always in a project you must show the Gantt chart. Okay, and then okay, this is the portion of the score based on the assignment and the test and the project. So as mentioned before, instead of 50% from the test, I only allocate 30%, so that the 20% will be obtained from your assignment submissions of number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay, so it would be lighter for your test for this course. Okay, in terms of the marks. Okay, in terms of the readiness, the test, it will be an open book test, and I hope that the TL or the document manager will create subfolders for each member in the team test folder. So please name your test folder by the group name, and then the subfolders of that particular test folder will be labeled using the number of the ID number and also the name of the members. So it is an individual test. Okay, therefore I need an individual answer sheet for each of you. Okay, any misplacement will score 0 because I am not able to hunt for your answer sheet should it be wrongly parked. Okay, so as mentioned, week 11, week 12, and week 13 are the project weeks in a project mode. There will be no live lecture, but you are suggested to have meetings within this time frame. So please use the class time slot for your class meeting time, because that will be the time where everybody will be able to be attending, because this is a class time. Okay, otherwise you will have your own agreement upon that. Okay, so for this project, there are 4 elements: the weekly meetings, MOM 1, MOM 2, MOM 3, the presentation score when you present it orally, and then the slides as the PowerPoint, and then the report. Okay, there will be, I will share later on in the next lecture about the MOM template and examples of a report. Okay, so please submit all the MOMs by the Friday of that particular week. Okay, and there will be some SDG element to be shared. I will explain about SDG also later on in another slot of my briefing. Okay, so basically that is the briefing that I want to have. Okay, Okay, see you in the next slide. Sorry, next slot.